As you all know, our monthly subscriptions keep getting better and better. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. As I was unboxing, my immediate reaction was just what I was looking for. Out of all the nail files that I've used from various brands, for the past couple of months, I've been using the Tammy Taylor Pill and Stick nail files, and hands down, you guys, they are the best. As a self-taught nail tech, we all begin with our trials and errors to get where we want to be. But if you noticed, there are so many ways to utilize these files, and it's actually per preference. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the small one also for the filing of the edges as a buffer. I mean, there's just many ways to use this. I know this video was a bit short. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts about this Nailboxy subscription box. As always, thanks for watching, stay blessed, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.